Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen, and I'm so excited to finally have one of these as my own. I've been using one of these for years, teaching cooking classes, and I fell in love with this product because of the performance that this thing has. I have always trusted the ALL-CLAD name for my pots and pans, and now they also have an electric skillet. This is a 14-inch, 7-quart electric skillet, and I got it from yeschef.ca. They also deliver to the US. They deliver all across Canada and the USA. Once you have something in your cart, you just put in your US address and it will automatically convert to US dollars. So you can buy it in Canada, US, and it'll ship straight to you. Check out that website, yeschef.ca. It's a local kitchen store in Abbotsford. That's where I teach cooking classes at. I've known the owner there for many years, probably 10 years by now, and she is amazing and just a great person, and I love supporting her business. So from there, I finally purchased my own. I have used this for so many things in cooking classes, and the one thing I usually don't like about your traditional electric skillet, well, there's two things actually. One, they don't get hot enough usually, and the cycling. The cycling is, you know, when you're putting at a certain temperature on the dial, it'll heat up and then it'll cool down. It'll heat up and then it'll cool down. I found with the ALL-CLAD electric skillet, this thing gets hot. Like you could pan-sear scallops or a steak in this thing and you'd get amazing results. But also the cycling is minimal. This thing performs better than any electric skillet I have ever used in the past, and this thing is huge. I can easily do a double batch of pasta sauce recipe in this, no problem at all. And I also love that it comes with the glass top on it so I can see the food cooking if I happen to be covering it, and it's non-stick as well. So there's so many different applications that this is going to become so handy for in my kitchen. Let me take this out and I'll show you what's inside. Packaged really well, as ALL-CLAD always does with all their stuff. There's the huge glass lid. Again, this is 14-inch diameter, the skillet. All the product knowledge, you know, don't use metal utensils on there. A booklet on the skillet, how to use, so on and so forth. And there it is. And the other thing as well, I mean, this thing's a brute. This has a really good weight to it. Stainless steel outside. It's the ALL-CLAD name that I've trusted for many, many years. And they have really come through on this product. Riveted handles. There's the ALL-CLAD branding on the handles. Amazing. Like, this thing is top notch. I love the silicone feet on the bottom, so it prevents, you know, sliding. It's very sturdy on the countertop. It's just great. And here's the cord for it with the dial. So it has the settings all the way from keep warm to high heat searing. And the keep warm feature, I love that for when keeping something warm at the table, or even just for your regular kitchen service. You just want to keep something warm. It's done cooking, this thing will do it. Warm to 250, low, 350, all the way to high heat searing, over 450 degrees. It's amazing. I love the high polished stainless steel on the outside. The other great thing about it, like all ALL-CLAD products, it has incredible even heating. And they even say it's dishwasher safe. You would remove the probe and pop that whole thing in the dishwasher. I don't put my pots and pans in the dishwasher. I baby them, I wash them all by hand, and I'll be doing the same thing with this one, but that's an option for you as well. And that simply just pops in there. You could plug it in, you got your lid. Make sure you're checking out the website at yeschef.ca, and you can get your own ALL-CLAD electric skillet just like me, and I'm so excited to fire this thing up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh, this is cool.